Today we will be showing you how to extract the tape from an SDLT 220, 320, and 600 tape drive. This tape extraction procedure will work for all OEMs of SDLT 220, 320, and 600 drives. Please be advised, this is for extraction of a tape from a defective tape drive only. Removing the tape from the drive will not fix a faulty drive, and the drive itself will still need to be replaced. The only difference between the SDLT 220 and 320 and the SDLT 600 is the way you need to remove the faceplate if there is one installed. For the SDLT 220 and 320, you will need to use a small flathead screwdriver to release the clips holding the front faceplate on. For the SDLT 600, you will need to first remove the thin cover and then the screws on the front. Then you will need to remove the 3 screws holding the top cover on the drive. They are located one on each side and one on the rear of the drive. Once they are all removed, you can lift the top cover straight up and off the drive and set it to the side. At this point, you will need to choose if you want to rewind the tape all the way into the cartridge or if you just want to cut the tape. If you want to rewind the tape all the way, keep watching from here. If you want to just cut the tape and remove it, please skip ahead. First, you will need to locate the head control screw in the left rear of the drive. Use a screwdriver and turn the screw clockwise to lower the head and allow the tape and leader to pass. Then, to rewind the tape into the cartridge, use the Torx screwdriver in the hole on the bottom of the drive to engage the front spool. Turn the screwdriver counterclockwise to begin winding the tape back into the cartridge. As you are doing this, keep your hand on the top of the rear spool to keep it from spinning too quickly. Once the tape is fully rewound into the cartridge and the screwdriver cannot turn any further, you will need to locate the deck release mechanism on the front right side of the drive. Use a 9-volt battery with the negative end towards the front and engage the 2 posts on the mechanism. This will release the tape for you to pull out. If you decided you want to cut the tape on the drive, please pull out some slack carefully and use a pair of scissors to cut the tape media. Then carefully pull all of the remaining media off the rear spool until you get to the drive leader. Carefully unhook the drive leader from the tape leader and allow the drive leader to retract into the spool. Then locate the deck release mechanism on the front right side of the drive. Use a 9-volt battery with the negative end towards the front and engage the 2 posts on the mechanism. This will release the tape for you to pull out. If you are returning the effective core exchange to the rocket platform, you do not need to reassemble the drive. Simply place the top cover back on the drive and ensure that all screws and other small parts are included in the anti-static bag with the drive before shipping it back to us. If you have any further questions about tape extraction from an SDLT 220, 320, or 600 tape drive, please reach out to us at support@therocketplatform.com. Thanks for watching. This has been another video by the Top 10 USA Video Production Team. We look forward to sharing more content with you going forward, so please check out our YouTube channel and please subscribe so that you get notified whenever we release a new piece of content.